About to get some canes.
Hell yeah.
Need it. I'm too fucking hungry.
Then we go into the meet, but
Canes at the meet.
it's gonna be a busy little bit for me. I got canes, then the meet, and then I gotta drop them off, go back to Cleveland. Then I'm going to the Cleveland Auto Show. So that'll be interesting.
It's got a busy day.
Okay, see y'all Sunday. I might have made a slight mishap.
Man didn't even look at the date.
Okay, I guess I'll just see you guys in Cleveland. All right, it's the next day. Yeah, I was wrong about that car meet. It's tomorrow, but yep, got about an hour left of the drive, and then we're gonna pick up Mike and then head straight to the auto show. Let's get it. Made it to Cleveland, grabbing Mike, and yeah, we're gonna get some lunch and head to the auto show. Oh, hello guys! Mr. Hype Boy Mike, how do you do?
You know, a little cold, tired of this cold crap, but
yeah,
spring's around the corner. I hate that groundhog.
Well, that groundhog was evil for that.
He's my op, bro.
No, I agree. This Mike's in the Hellcat swapped minivan. Gotta get some rollers of this thing, man. That's a cop up there. We made it in. I don't know where we're going.
We had to
It's somewhere over here. Yeah. Had to hop so many fences.
Yeah. You know, athletic right here.
Oh yeah. Peak athleticism. D1. GR Mark 5. This thing's pretty sweet. See any info on it? Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. 6-speed. Got the GR Corolla right here. Wouldn't shock me. The Supra always is beautiful. Same with the BRZ. These are always nice.
This is called the white girl special.
Yeah, right. Inside of an AMG is always sweet though. This one's tough. So fancy inside. Oh my god. Mercedes engraved into the damn. They got the fridge back there.
I don't think it does.
Oh, that feels nice.
I bet you when it's on, this lights up or something.
Every button in here is just like actual quality.
Oh, you got both of them come on.
That's fancy. That's some fancy stuff. Love the lining and the piano black.
Even has invisible windows.
Yeah.
I can't get any better than that.
Damn. I would not cut up in one of these. Scooting my way
What is
out.
that weird car you talking about? That little one.
What
the heck is that?
So how's the Hellcat Swap minivan been treating you?
You know, it hasn't been starting sometimes, but other than that, we're chugging along, man. I make it to work and back every day, so I can't complain.
Right? No, that's all you need. Fast. Yeah. Totally didn't get gapped by one of these earlier this year. Ford got a little rim display. That's kind of neat. I like these guys a lot.
Which rim job do you prefer?
Hey y'all, come look at this. Oh shit. Oh, Hyundai coming out nice right there.
Hyundai literally stepped up their game. From
No,
like
low key. Low key. Elantra N, I think.
That's the one we rode in.
Oh,
I
yeah,
think
that
it
was
that color
fast.
too.
That was one of my favorite cars.
Bro, that car actually made me crap.
Here's the standard Ioniq 6, then the Ioniq 5N. This thing is so fast. So what is it, like
Too fast.
650 horsepower about?
Yeah, it gave me a headache because of how fast it was.
The back seats are horrifically uncomfortable though, I will be honest. Outside of that though, really cool car.
Dude, I don't know if they brought the concept vehicle.
Oh no.
I don't see it.
Where's the new GTD at?
No, I don't think they did. Okay, Ops. Okay, Buick Ops.
Right. Honda. Always a pleasure seeing some Hondas.
The new Pilot.
Yeah, that's the new HRV. Oh wait, what the hell is that?
This thing is dope.
The Trail Sport. Let's take a look inside. The new Honda.
Lighting down the back of the seats.
It's the new Honda Passport.
Really?
Yeah, that's what this
Holy
is.
crap.
It's pretty spacious though. You got some nice space in here. Aerial drive mode selector, color matched. This thing's kind of nice. Got wireless charger. I'd get one of these.
It's comfortable too.
Right? I like the seats in here.
Yeah, 2 years ago, right?
Nope, slamming enough is the first time I saw one.
Now you have to go like 15 minutes for slamming enough rather than 2 hours.
Oh, it's great. It's literally, well, the Expo Center is actually less than 15. Ready for this? 5 minutes. It's my highway exit. I take the same exit. That's it.
I don't even know if I'm gonna make it down there.
Oh yeah. So this is a 2-liter turbocharged VTEC motor, 315 horsepower.
It's a nice color. Do you know what the color's called?
I don't. off the
Okay,
top of my
not a
head.
car guy. Okay, not a car guy.
Turbo blue.
Not a car guy.
That's what it is. The Mustang they have on display is just like the most bland drop top 5.0. It looks nice. It's just.
What did that Mustang ever do to you, man?
Man, it was a drop top. ZL1 next to the M3. Two very awesome V8s next to each other. You'll love to see it. Nice Series 2 Cullinan too. Oh yeah, that is interesting. Still like the fake grill. Oh, that's kind of fancy. Oh, it's all blue inside. Ooh. That's cool.
I like your sweater.
Thank you.
Volvo, you make pretty cars and you make cool twin charge cars, but it ain't a Beamer.
Mine's all black.
So,
To the green Beamer.
yeah, we're going to the Isle of Man Beamer, something that I've totally never filmed before, totally didn't have two of them.
Yeah, normal.
X5M, dude, oh my god. This thing looks ridiculous. Back seats are pretty solid in here.
The plastic section is a little bit smaller than that.
Oh yeah. Here's the new one.
Just a long interior, that's all.
Yeah, nothing too crazy. Oh man, they're upgrading. They're upgrading hard. They got this little wood trim. They got all these accents, piano black, got the metal. This is like aluminum or something. I feel it. It's really nice.
These seats are comfortable too.
Oh yeah. Steering wheel's a little goofy with the, I mean, it's got the whole super drive thing up here, so the autopilot, but just the way it feels.
Does that feel really big? It looks like a big steering
it
wheel.
feels a little oversized for me.
It's a long screen.
Yeah, a lot of buttons on here. You have a V button as well. It's very nice to press.
Oh, it's the vent.
Whoa. That's pretty
Okay, bougie vent.
You got the volume control. That's a fancy ass knob too. Got some more cup holder space. I think there's an additional one too. So it's like I can't get to it though. I don't know how to get to it. Back seat screen. Got third row seating. It's plenty of stuff though.
Oh my goodness. He juked me, bro.
You got, what is this? You got your super drive button, you have your heated steering wheel. You got a whole bunch in this car. I mean, would you get one of these?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Especially in the blue.
Right?
Like
Oh my
this,
god.
like blue interior.
It's ridiculous. This is crazy to look at. So it's got suicide doors and the little rooftop part opens up too.
Look how long that is, bro.
Oh my god. What are your thoughts on this one?
I love it, man. Those seats are so cool.
Oh yeah. Yeah, right?
It's almost as if we weren't standing there.
Yeah. This is the most normal Chrysler I think I've seen in a while.
Honda Civic. This makes your Honda Civic like a supercar.
Oh yeah, dude. Civic's like a V12 compared to this. That's a very unique look though. Oh, they got the new RHO over here. They made a worse version of the TRX. Where you at, Nate?
Is it gonna blow up? Is it gonna blow up?
Oh, it's a Ram. Of course it is. Oh, here it is. The Hurricane twin turbo inline six. Turbo 1, Turbo 2. This thing's interior, I'm guessing, is identical to the TRX. So people who watch this channel already know what that looks like. A good send for the boys.
I don't think they do. I don't think they do.
They don't? They don't? Oh my god.
What is that giant?
Yeah, bro. Oh my god, we won. Got the Cummins right here. These things always get the job done.
Where is
Tesla? Oh, there you go. That was a little wrap of the auto show. Unfortunately, it really was not that good of a turnout this year. It wasn't anything too, like, special or exclusive, I guess, to see. But, yep, got a car meet tonight, and yeah, we're gonna carry it on there. Okay, so a little update, just got gas. I am still 94 miles away from home, bro. I'm a little bit ways away right now, so we're getting back on the highway. And yeah, we're gonna try to get there as quick as we can without getting in any trouble. But, yep, 90 miles left. And yeah, we're gonna try to get there as quick as we can without getting in any trouble. But, yep, 90 miles left, so let's get it.
Wow.
E6, bro, well, hell no. that Z06. Let's see if the meat is here. The cops are already here, bro. God damn. Yeah, dude, holy shit. Big ass parking lot. A really loud car wash too. But yeah, let's get to it. It's like glossy too. That's really cool. Yeah, in Cleveland, we don't have a single one of these cars looking like this, but down here, I mean, there's like probably at least 5 or 6. That Corvette is so fire. So it's got the whole gooseneck hinge type thing going on here, like the Koenigsegg. Looks weird, like GT3 RS type look. It's got the ARP or APR performance. Civic with, I assume that means Civic in Japanese. These guys are on over here. What the fuck? That's fast. Oh shit. That is actually one of the fattest Pro Chargers I've seen in a while. Damn. Oh yeah. Oh, hell no. Oh, double hell no. Bro, it's just Camaro on Camaro on Camaro. Another boosted Sang. This thing looks crazy though. Nice little old gen charge with the little revised taillights. This little Beamer here. Hell yeah. Oh hell no, what is that revving over there, bro? Oh, a GT350 over there. So fire, bro. Oh my god, a Mopar. Yeah. Oh, I brought it. This thing is crazy. Hell yeah, bro. 300Z. Nice. This thing is so beautiful. This thing is so nice. Damn. God damn. No, give it to me. Oh, is that? Oh, damn, not the Audi. Got hella shit here, bro. This thing's clean, bro. Tough. Damn. This thing. Oh, this looks nuts, bro. Little Subi, little STI on some. I don't even know what those are. Enkais? Maybe? This thing is low as shit, though. Yeah. A nice little Challenger. Subi, Lexus. Whole Hoonigan livery with the, is it like a cartoon type aesthetic to it? Nice little view. M550. This thing's also slammed on its fucking nuts, dude. On stock rims, so oh, that hurts. This thing's on though. Damn, bro. Oh. Got the C5. thing always sits so clean, bro. You might have seen this on TikTok before, actually, but this is a pretty popular car. It's fire. Can't even tell if there's anyone in there or not. This, it's as I don't even know if that's real carbon or not because it's like all scratched up, but this thing's sweet though. Civic with a bumper exit, bro, I've never seen that. Simple. Very simple yet very good. I mean, look at that little guy right there. That's ready for some flames. God damn. Hit my Civic, I need a new car.
Let's get it out of here.
Rub it. I missed. That sounds good, bro.
I'm pumped up with these trucks. You got the camera there like,
Oh yeah. I've been in this thing, I want like 150 in this thing. Well guys, cops came. That means the meet's over, and that means this weekend's over for me as well. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, stick around for next week's video.